let's get a quick overview of your CRM by first looking at the dashboard. Your dashboard is what you'll see when you log into your CRM. It lists all of your leads and organizes them into stages. As your leads advance through stages, which you can see listed across the top of the dashboard, RabbitCloser automatically sends out stage-specific texts and emails to that lead. Your dashboard's a good place for your staff to start working from each day. They can start by reviewing and calling or emailing new leads, which will automatically appear in the new leads column of your CRM dashboard as you receive them. Or they can reach out to older leads, such as those appearing in these columns, and attempt to close them. In addition to your dashboard, the other screen you'll want to be familiar with is your lead details screen. Simply double-click on any lead to pull up the lead details. Your lead details will show you the contact information for your lead, as well as the full history of any communications that have happened with that lead. All of the automated communications that go out by RabbitCloser are automatically listed in the lead's history, and if the lead responds back to the outbound text, those are also automatically listed. So, if your staff makes sure to add any non-automated conversations that you've had with the lead, your lead detail screen will be a perfect place for your staff to go and see every communication back and forth between your team and the customer. So let's dive into how you should typically handle a new lead in your CRM. When you receive a new lead, RabbitCloser automatically imports the lead into your CRM, and it will be waiting for you in the new lead stage of your dashboard when you log in. That new lead will have already automatically been sent an SMS and an email that introduces the lead to your agency. And your staff will have also already received an email and an optional SMS that lets your agency know that a new lead has been received. So, when your staff logs into your dashboard, they'll see the new lead listed. Let's go through a few steps of how typically a lead is handled. Step 1. Open the lead details. The first thing you need to do is double-click to see the lead details. That'll show you contact information, and it'll confirm that the automated initial SMS and email went out. Step 2, start the automated series of contacts. So to make sure that the series of automated SMS and emails happen, you'll need to click Link a Person and begin typing the lead's name. Then click the Link a Person button. Step 3, you're going to want to check out the communications history. In the Notes tab, you'll see all the communications that have already happened with this lead, including the automated messages that RabbitCloser sent out on your behalf, and any responses if the customer has already responded to some of the automated messages. Step 4, reach out to the lead. Depending on your office's lead closing strategy, your staff can then reach out to the new lead and note in the lead details how and when the lead was contacted and add any conversation notes. Step 5, drag and drop the lead to the appropriate stage. After your conversation with the lead on the dashboard, drag and drop the lead to the appropriate stage in the CRM. Some agencies, particularly when using lower value leads, don't want to spend staff time calling their leads. So, as an alternative to actively reaching out to the lead, some agencies let RabbitCloser handle all of the outreach. If your agency never drags and drops the lead to a new stage, RabbitCloser will automatically advance the lead through stages over time for you, and at each stage send the lead a unique SMS and email message in an attempt to engage with the lead and have the lead call in, text, or email into your office. And if a lead responds back to one of the automated messages, you'll see that, as it's automatically updated in your communications history on the lead details page, and there'll be an alert on your dashboard. Step 6, close out leads. When you're ready to close a lead out, either because you've won their business or it didn't work out, your team can click Won or Lost, and any automated email and SMS communications will stop. So that's the basics of how your CRM works and how to use it to manage leads. Just to summarize, log into your CRM whenever you receive an alert that a new lead has come in. Make sure to enable automated communications. And if you want to be active in trying to close more leads, proactively reach out to the new leads and drag and drop the lead to the appropriate stage based on your communications with them. Or, if you want to take a more passive approach, simply monitor the automated email and SMS outreach process and wait for leads to reach out and contact you instead. And that's the basics of how to use your CRM with RabbitCloser.